Hey, it's me, Coda 152. Decided to make a bike check. Might as well. Got some new stuff from Dan's Comp. Alright, we'll start from the top. I got some nice handlebars. I got some Hoffman bike grips. They're really good. They're teal. Love them. Bright orange handlebars. Odyssey front orange tire, sweet. DK blue forks. Eastern wreckage pegs in silver. A DK stem. It's good. It's okay. A kink seat, plastic pivotal. Fit frame. It's nice. Odyssey back red tire this time. Dan's Comp sticker, yeah. Odyssey sprocket, 25 tooth. Best. Eastern wreckage peg, silver, the same one. Fit pedals, they're okay. And a kink seat post. And about it. Alright. See ya.